Hi everyone, I'm Jordan. Recently, the corn business has become more and more popular in the world. I have interested for such business, so I have a few questions I would like to ask today.
Okay, Jordan. We all know there are different types of ice cream cones in the market. And today I will introduce some ice cream cone making machine and the ice cream cone. There are many different types of samples for your check in advance.
Okay, thank you. Let me take a look.
Yes, these are wafer cone and those are sugar cone.
Can I make all these corns with one machine?
No, dear, because there are different ice cream cones, so need different machine to produce it. I prepare a video for you check how to produce the wafer cone in advance. First, let us take a look at how to produce the wafer cone. Wafer cone production line includes filling part, baking part, demolding part, and conveying part. One-time molding and we can get the finished product.
That's great. What is the maximum capacity for this machine?
This is wafer cone production line and the production capacity is large. It can produce more than 8,000 square pieces per hour. And we will, according to your demand, to recommend suitable machine.
I want to make this special double head corn. Is that okay for this machine?
Yes, the machine can produce a double head cone and also can print a logo on the surface.
That is exactly what I need. How about the sugar corn?
The sugar cone is not same production process for the wafer cone. Let's watch a video. This is sugar cone production line. This is filling part, then batter will baked into biscuit sheets at high temperature. The rolling head will roll the biscuit sheets into cone shape. The sugar cones are automatically arranged on the conveyor.
Why these two corn shapes is different? It's because the machine?
No, because the baking plans are different. We will, according to your demand, to design the baking plans.
Okay, I understand now. Now I have a direction on how to start this business. I'm very grateful for jacobyaogelgoog Business Center today.
Thank you, Jordan. I'm very grateful to Jordan be our guest today. Wish we have more cooperation in the future and achieve win-win situation.